Problem number 25, study maximal score after applying k operations. You are given a zero-index integer array nouns and an integer k. You have a starting score of 0. And for each operation, choose an index I such that I is between 0 and nums length. Increase your score by nums I and replace nums I with ceiling nums I divided by 3. Return the maximum possible score you can attain after applying exactly k operations. The ceiling function cell value is the least integer greater than or equal to value. Okay, so you are given integer array nouns. Okay, so first of all, what will like the range of nums and the range of k? What is it? Okay, k will be between 1 and 10 million. Oh, sorry, 100k. And nonsense will be at least 1 as well. So it's all positive integers. Nums I will be positive integers as well. So I think it will be like maybe 9, like this for for nums, and k will be it doesn't say like how much k is it. Okay, maybe 3. So this will be like 1, 5, 3, and k maybe like a 2. And what operations? Like choose an index in one operation such that increase your score by nums I. Okay, so increase your score. So the starting score is 0. So score equals 0 by now. And when k is so when k is 0, score will be like the only thing we can select is this. So score will be 9, and then k is 1, score equals 18, and then k is 2, score equals like 27. Okay, so the score is 27, the maximum possible score you can attain after exactly k operations. Increase your score by nums and replace nums I. And replace nums I so now the nums will be 3, and then we can only choose 3 and multiply. Score is now 9, and we can plus 3, so it's 12, and nums will be equal to divided by 3 is 4, and then score is 16, and nums will be 16 divided by 3. It would be like a 6. Yeah. And for 1, 5, 3, okay. increase score. So we want to maximize score. So we want our the nums I be like it's better to be larger since we are all positive integers. And if we want our nums I, okay, so it's like when after one increase by for the score, we have to replace nums I by this ceiling, this operation, this calculation, and we need to choose another maximum to increase our score. Yeah, and that means like for this kind of keeping track of the maximum, like sorting every time after one operation, I think HIP will be a better solution. So let's have, okay, so like we'll have loop through go through K operations, and for each operation we will do select the maximum in nums and get by HIP, and then we will replace the max by this ceiling calculation by max divided by 3. Okay, so then should output the score. So here we will like add score by max. Okay, so first of all we will have a score. We'll start it by 0, and we'll have a for loop to loop through K operations. We'll have range K. Then we should first like HIPify our nums, since we don't need our nums to return, so we can just directly modify the parameter. And okay, so max value will be HIPify HIPpop. Since HIPify is for minimum HIP, that's use max. And for the max value, and score can be added by the max value. And then we will, since we pop already, then we will just insert a new value. So we will have let's have new value equals ceiling max value divided by 3, and we will push back at our HIP push max to our new value, to nums with our new value, and let's return our score in the end. Let's see. Okay. And the time complexity, like For hipify, it would be hipify will be on, since the length of nums is n. On and plus k, it's k operations, and pop will be 1 or big O1, and hit push will be log n, so it will be k log n. Okay, like this.